This place is really magical, and it's hard to put in words why it is, but the beauty certainly. You can live here and feel like you are really far away because of the uniqueness of the topography and rolling hills and the state parks. And I was very drawn to the art culture that this community was founded on.
It seems like everyone that you meet in Nashville is practicing some kind of craft, some kind of creative activity that is rooted in their sense of self, their sense of place and family. And it's incredibly dynamic scene where I think it really nourishes people's sense of their creative selves.
ChamberFest is a one-week classical music festival in Brown County in Nashville. There's a lot of music here in Nashville. We have a famous bluegrass place up in Bean Blossom, and we've got local people that play rock and roll and country type music. So this is the only thing I know of that's happening in the realm of classical music.
We got a really warm, enthusiastic response. We had over 100 people in all our venues, churches around this small town, and also at the Playhouse right here. If you're a performing musician going from concert to concert in a very stressful environment in a big city, the human touch is often lacking, but it isn't in a place like this.
About a year and a half ago, we started a workshop series called The Preserve, getting together to write together, and the idea of The Preserve being kind of a rule setting, but also a place to preserve our stories and our memories, and we offered this workshop at the senior apartments in Nashville in Brown County. We have this tight group of writers, and they come every other week along with a breakout session with IU assistants and interns, and they've just been writing the most wonderful stories and poems and creative writing nonfiction. And they're there and they're responding to each other, and they recently gave a reading as part of the Brown County ChamberFest.
Under Kathy's tutelage and guidance, I think we've all discovered things about ourselves and the world around us that maybe we were only dimly aware of originally. So it's been, for me, a very good experience.
There's these bonds that happen through the sharing of their stories, their language, their experiences, their personal experiences, their public experiences. And when they start telling each other these stories, writing these poems and sharing them with each other, it serves kind of as a channel for connection.
I think we've learned first and foremost how to be a good neighbor to communities surrounding Bloomington. The university is such a big place that oftentimes we struggle to look beyond the sample gates and to see the unique assets that are all around this region. And I think it's helped IU celebrate the state that it's in and be a better partner throughout communities in South Central Indiana especially. I think this has been an amazing opportunity for students to get out into the community and have real-world experiences in a state that we hope they stay in and create a life.
I have absolutely loved and embraced rural living. And I think there's so many ways you can affect your community when it's smaller, it's more intimate. There's 1,000 ways to get involved. And I just love rural living. And so I recommend it to anybody considering it.